Hola amigos, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Fatima and welcome you if you're new to Fatima Spanish Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all of you a typical summer dish in Spain that you can modify as you wish. For that recipe, what we are going to need is potato. You know, potatoes that are boiled. I boil my potatoes and I peel it, and the quantity is, you know, I'm using here 3. Feel free to use, you know, depend how many people you have in your home. For the potato, you have to have it cold, because then we are going to mix it with another ingredient and have to be cold. We won't. I just cut it in half and then just slice it. That is also depend on the size of the potato. So when I have all my potatoes cut, as I said, you want it, you know, in a slice, bigger, smaller, as you wish. So I just put it in a container. So now I have a green pepper and red pepper, and I like it to cut it like in squares. So I just take this and I mix it where I have my potatoes. Now I have some sliced onion, red onion, and now I have here tuna, olive oil tuna. For that recipe, I highly recommend you to use a very high quality tuna olive oil. So I'm going to sprinkle the tuna. Now we add tomato. That is a fantastic tomato, it looks nice. So we add it to our salad. And that is summer colors. And now that we have this, we are going to do the vinaigrette recipe. I mean, to that salad you can add olive, you know, any other veggie that you like, or boiling eggs if you want, anything that you wish. But as I said, like this is wonderful. So now we are going to do the vinaigrette. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, it's Spanish of course, and that is by 3 measurement of olive oil. I'm using 1 of vinegar. You know, for that recipe I'm using cherry vinegar, but you know, feel free to use Modena, but that is more sweet, so we don't want it that much sweet in that recipe. To do 2 measurements, so it's another 3, 2, 3, and 1 more of vinegar. And now I whisk it really well. I'm going to put some salt in here, so you know, will go evenly in my salad, and I whisk it really well. You know, I like to clean while I'm cooking. That is the best way, so you don't get a mess in your kitchen. That is a good tip that I'm giving you. So keep cleaning as you are cooking. So when I have my vinaigrette, you can add mustard if you wish. You know, I didn't have any, so I didn't put it, but that will look, you know, that will be nice. If you are vegetarian, skip the tuna and put olives. That will be, and you know, and if you eat eggs, with eggs will be fantastic. I have my vinaigrette and I just going to add it to the salad. When we mix it really well, we are going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours, so all the vinaigrette, you know, get the flavor. I hope you have enjoyed this salad. It's, as I said, is delicious, it's easy, and you know, you can load it with your favorite veggies. It's so typical from Spain. That remind me when I was, you know, in Spain, and in the summertime you always have one of these type of salad in the refrigerator, so you know, with the summers over there are really hot. So I hope you have enjoyed. If you like it, please don't forget to sum up and subscribe to my channel if you like this type of recipe, so I don't lose, you know, you don't disappear in YouTube. Looking forward to see you next Thursday. Stay tuned and I see you. Bye bye.